Hey, YouTube creators! If you're ready to skyrocket your channel to that coveted 4,000 watch hours mark, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some practical tips and tricks that'll help you reach your goals quickly. First up, let's talk about content. Creating engaging content is key. Ask yourself, what does your audience want to see? Dive deep into your analytics to understand what's grabbing their attention and make more of that. Keep them coming back for more by maintaining consistency and quality. Now, consistency is king. Post regularly and stick to a schedule. Your viewers will start to expect your content and keep coming back, boosting your watch hours. Think of it like your favorite TV show. You know when it airs, and you make sure to tune in. Next, let's talk about playlists. Group similar videos into playlists to keep viewers on your channel longer. When one video ends, the next one starts automatically. It's like a binge-watching session on Netflix. Also, don't underestimate the power of live streams. Live streaming is an excellent way to engage with your audience in real time. Answer their questions, chat with them, and keep them hooked. Plus, live streams can significantly boost your watch hours. Another tip is to create longer videos. While short videos are great, longer videos can help you accumulate watch hours faster. But remember, they need to be engaging. No one wants to sit through a long, boring video. So, plan your content wisely. Promoting your videos on social media is also a game changer. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Drive traffic from these sites to your YouTube channel. The more people watching, the faster those hours add up. Collaborations can also work wonders. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche. You'll not only gain exposure to their audience but also boost your watch hours. It's a win-win situation. Finally, engage with your community. Reply to comments and ask for feedback. Show your viewers that you value their input. Building a loyal community will keep your audience invested in your content. So, let's recap. Create engaging content, post consistently, use playlists, live stream, create longer videos, promote on social media, collaborate, and engage with your community. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to hitting those 4,000 watch hours. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of creativity. But with these strategies, you're setting yourself up for success. So, get out there and start creating. You've got this. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching.